It's your boy Rich B, back with another Spanish lesson. And today, we're going over the Spanish alphabet. El alfabeto. Because the alphabet is like a nose to make music with the language. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Portugal, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Portugal, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E. 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 Vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Sounds like ma, me, mo, mu. Vocales. A, E, I, O, U. Sounds like pa, pe, pi, bo, boo. El alfabeto abecedario. El alfabeto abecedario. We say A, they say A. We say B, they say B. We say C, they say C. We say D, they say D. We say E, they say E. We say F, they say F. We say G, they say H. We say H, they say H. We say I, they say E. We say J, they say J. We say K, they say K. We say L, they say L. We say M, they say M. We say N, they say N. And then they got this N-yay, but we ain't got no N-yay, so we gon' just continue. Oh. We say O, they say O. We say B, they say B. We say Q, they say Q. We say R, they say R. We say S, they say S. We say T, they say T. We say U, they say U. We say V, they say U. We say W, they say W. We say X, they say X. We say Y, they say Z. We say Z, they say Z. Now I'm gonna see you later. Spanish alphabet.